Experienced New York City personal injury attorney NYC accident lawyer Samantha Kucher. Accidents occur in New York City in the blink of an eye, often leaving injured victims to face extensive physical and financial turmoil. Even more heartbreaking, some of these accidents have fatal consequences, leaving families to pick up the pieces. Fortunately, New York has personal injury laws that allow the victim or their family to hold the at-fault party accountable. If you have been injured in an accident caused by another's recklessness, you may be entitled to compensation for your damages. But most accident victims are not aware of what they are entitled to legally. Before you accept any insurance settlement, you should get the guidance of a legal professional. Samantha Kucher and the skilled personal injury lawyers in New York Kucher Law Group have dedicated their careers to representing injured parties so they can get the recovery they deserve after a serious injury. To schedule a consultation with our New York personal injury lawyers, call us at 929-274-8000. How does personal injury law work? Personal injury law is designed to protect accident victims from others' wrongdoing through compensation from the at-fault party. A personal injury claim can seek compensation for victims of many different types of accidents, including 1. Car accidents. 2. Truck accidents. 3. Pedestrian accidents. 4. Bicycle accidents. 5. Public transportation accidents. 6. Slip and fall accidents. 7. Property liability accidents. 8. Product liability accidents. 9. Construction accidents. 10. Medical malpractice. 11. Nursing home abuse. 12. And other incidents caused by someone's negligence or intentional actions. If you have been injured in an accident in New York City, you may be entitled to compensation through a personal injury claim. At Kucher Law, our personal injury lawyers in New York will be able to offer you guidance on what you can expect should you decide to bring a claim against the at-fault party. How do insurance claims enter into the personal injury process? Insurance is there to cover the costs of an insured event without coming out of the pocket of the policyholder or the injured party. When an accident happens, an insurance claim will usually be the first source of compensation for the victim to offset the costs of their damages. But insurance is not a panacea. A driver or homeowner may not have sufficient insurance coverage in place. The insurance company may try to blame the victim or otherwise do its best not to pay the claim. Insurance companies are big for-profit companies that stay profitable by keeping their settlements as low as possible. Chances are, even if there is a valid insurance settlement offered, it typically will not be sufficient to cover all the costs you will be faced with or what you are legally entitled to as a victim. Unfortunately, you can't always trust that the insurance company is on your side. After an accident, having an experienced NYC personal injury attorney in your corner can help ensure that you will get the compensation you deserve under the law. What damages can you recover in a personal injury claim in NYC? Every accident is different, and damages will vary from claim to claim. Furthermore, under New York's comparative negligence laws, accident victims can share fault in the accident, and compensation will depend on the percentage of that shared fault. Damages that are available through a personal injury claim include 1. Special damages. Direct, quantifiable costs from the accident are called special damages. These are the direct costs that are reimbursed to the injured party for their injuries and other expenses. 2. General damages. Non-economic damages, or general damages such as pain and suffering, don't have direct quantifiable costs associated with them but are calculated using other methods. 3. Punitive damages. In some cases, an at-fault party's behavior and the resulting injuries are so egregious that the court will assign punitive damages to reprimand them for their behavior and send a message to others. Depending on the circumstances surrounding the accident and the injuries suffered, compensable damages from a personal injury claim can include 1. Medical costs, including emergency transportation and treatment, hospitalizations, surgeries, prescription medications, doctor visits, physical rehabilitation, necessary medical devices and equipment, nursing care, and sometimes home renovations to accommodate the injured party. 2. Any future potential medical costs as they are associated with the injuries. 3. Lost wages if you are unable to work during treatment and recovery. 4. Loss of earning capacity if you cannot return to your line of work. 5. Personal property damage. 6. Pain and suffering. 7. Emotional distress. 8. Loss of enjoyment. 9. Disfigurement. An injury claim can be very complicated, and recovering maximum compensation will require significant investigation and evidence. If you have been injured in an accident in NYC, it is advisable to have an experienced legal advocate in your corner. At Kucher Law, our team of skilled injury lawyers represent you by 1. Investigating the accident and gathering critical evidence. 2. Serving as your advocate with the involved insurance companies. 3. Filing any claims and producing other required paperwork. 4. Negotiating with the insurance companies to ensure the maximum settlement for your damages. 5. With our skilled team of injury attorneys in New York, you can have peace of mind that you have talented legal professionals fighting for your best possible compensation so you can heal and move forward. Getting the help of an NYC personal injury attorney if you have been injured in an accident. If you have been injured because of the actions of another party in Manhattan, New York City, or Brooklyn, you may be entitled to compensation for those injuries. But personal injury claims are complicated. Let us help. At Kucher Law, we build the strongest case possible to ensure that you get the greatest compensation possible for your damages. With us in your corner, you can have peace of mind that your case is being professionally handled with your best outcome in mind. Our experienced injury lawyers are with you every step of the way to ensure that justice is served. Call us at 929-274-8000 or contact us through our website contact form to schedule a free consultation to understand your legal rights and discuss your case.